Okay, those are the key features that included in this update. We'll take a quick look and explain you what it means to the car. So first one here is driving virtualization improvements. This means that it's able to display traffic cones on your screen here. It's also sort of like a safety update for the car that has a full self-driving capabilities. In case of using navigate on autopilot, when the car detecting traffic cone ahead of you, it will suggest a lane change to avoid those cones. But however, from what I know is this does require your Tesla Model 3 or other Tesla cars equipped with the newest full self-driving hardware, which is the version 3. Well, if you have version 2.5 or earlier version full self-driving, then you may not going to see the traffic cones show up on your screen, just because the earlier version of full self-driving hardware does not have the processing power to detect those traffic cones. And the next is a stopping mode. This is basically just using the regenerative braking to fully stop the car. Well, before that, we're still cruising about like 5 to 8 miles per hour or like something like 8 kilometers per hour speed. But now you're able to fully stop the car just using the regenerative braking. And next is scheduled departure. So this was something if you regularly goes from A to B at every day or a certain time, so you can set this thing up. This works like some sort of like remote start in some combustion engine car as well, but it just do it automatically. So before you set in the car and get drive, everything will be ready. In the summer, the cabin will be cooled down. In the winter, the cabin will warm up, and the battery will be charged. Also, avoiding the high peak rate to charge your car as well. So everything will be ready when the time you ready to drive the car. And next is pretty exciting for me because it's really like you can just get a power increase just through over-the-air update. This is not going to happen on a combustion engine car, only for like EV or something car like Tesla. Okay, so this is pretty exciting. So it means you're getting approximately about 5% of power increase for acceleration and performance. This is really exciting. How awesome is that? Just over-the-air update, you get power increase. So for example, if you're driving a combustion engine car, you're not going to get that just for a software update. If you want the power increase, you have to get some modification done, fresh ECUs, get training, you get new intake, and you modify the exhaust and so like etc. Right? But now for Tesla, you want to go power increase? Of course, sure. Just give you an update. How awesome is that? Okay, so next is automatic navigation. And this is also a sort of like a convenience update for people, like if you regularly set your calendar, if you have like and sync into the car. For example, if in my calendar on Tuesday at 10 o'clock in the morning, I have an appointment with my dental. So when the moment I set in the car in Tuesday morning, it will automatically set the navigation for me from my home or from where I am to my dental clinic. So that's how it works. I'm not really using this as well, and I'm not really using scheduled departure. So approximately the really benefit for me is just the traffic cones, the stopping mode, and the power increase. Yes. All right. So this is the key features that included in this update for this Tesla Model 3. Okay. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment in below. I'll try to reply you, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And see you guys next video. Cheers, guys.